Welcome everyone. Welcome to the Soul Garden channel. To provide you with more wonderful options in your journey of caring for anthuriums and other green friends in your home, today I want to share with you a completely natural, organic fertilizer recipe that is easy to make but delivers astonishing results. This recipe can be applied to most of your beloved plants, from anthuriums, lilies, to phalaenopsis orchids, using simple ingredients, even those that seem worthless in your kitchen corner. When you consistently apply it, your anthurium will not only be healthy but also bloom vibrantly as a response to the care and love you've devoted to the plant. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. Today, to create this special fertilizer, I will start with baker's yeast. This is a familiar kitchen ingredient, but it holds a treasure trove of nutrients and beneficial microorganisms, helping anthuriums grow vigorously and healthier. I gently add 1 tablespoon of baker's yeast into a jar. The next ingredient I will use is beer. I use 50 milliliters. Beer contains sugars, B vitamins, and many minerals, contributing to stimulating metabolism and promoting plant growth. Beer is a source of natural sugars, B vitamins, and many valuable minerals, helping to stimulate metabolism and strongly promote the development of roots and young shoots. With just a few simple steps, we have a natural organic fertilizer that is both safe and extremely effective for anthuriums and many other indoor plants. When watered with this solution, the plant will enhance its resilience, develop a robust root system with numerous nutrient-absorbing root hairs, and, most importantly, awaken the process of flower bud formation. Gently stir until the yeast completely dissolves. Then dilute with 2 liters of clean water. Method 1. I pour the diluted extract of baker's yeast and beer into a dedicated fine mist spray bottle. Gently mist evenly over both sides of the leaves, paying special attention to the underside, an often overlooked area but a hot spot for mold and harmful insects. For anthuriums, this is an ideal care step. This plant has broad, glossy leaves that easily collect dust and excess fertilizer residue. The fine mist from the solution not only gently cleans the leaves, but also supplements sugars, B vitamins, minerals, and microorganisms from the beer and yeast, helping the leaves become dark green, healthy, and glossy, while stimulating the plant to bloom consistently. This solution also creates a natural layer of resistance against fungi and bacteria, which is a great advantage when caring for sensitive plants. For Phalaenopsis orchids, only mist lightly and avoid letting water pool in the leaf crevices or at the crown to prevent rot. For lilies, this method helps reduce stress for the plant, keeping the leaves soft and green, especially useful when the plant has just gone through a flowering period or been repotted. This misting method can be applied 1 to 2 times a week in the early morning or late afternoon. Method 2. First, I will pour this fertilizer water into this dedicated watering can. I will use the pre-blended extract of baker's yeast and beer to water directly at the base of the Anthurium, a flower dubbed the elegant queen of the garden corner. For Anthuriums, the root system is the lifeline, nourishing each glossy green leaf and each fiery red flower. When supplemented with this solution, the roots will develop vigorously, produce healthy shoots, absorb nutrients quickly, and minimize the risk of root rot, a common issue for moisture-loving plants like Anthuriums. The secret of this mixture lies in the B vitamins, minerals, and abundant beneficial microorganisms in the baker's yeast and beer. They not only nourish the roots, but also stimulate metabolism, helping the plant bloom consistently with vibrant, long-lasting colors. The droplets soaking into the soil, I imagine the roots drinking each drop of nutrients, spreading vitality to the stem and leaves. And if you have Phalaenopsis orchids or lilies in your garden, you can also use this method. Phalaenopsis orchids will recover quickly after each flowering season, with thicker, glossier leaves. Lilies will feel less fatigued after blooming, with leaves staying fresh and green, preparing energy for the next flowering cycle. I usually apply this watering method every 10 to 15 days. After just a few weeks, you will see the Anthurium looking vibrant, with more flowers and leaves that seem coated with a natural glossy wax, a beauty that makes anyone passing by stop to admire. Method 3. Today, I will use the extract of baker's yeast and beer to wipe the leaves of the plant, especially for Anthuriums, a flower with radiant beauty but also very sensitive, requiring regular leaf care to stay healthy and bloom long-lastingly. I prepare a soft cloth or clean cotton wool, lightly dampened with the nutrient solution, and slowly wipe each leaf. Each wipe is thorough, covering both the upper and lower surfaces, removing all dust, fertilizer residue, or limescale stains, things that seem harmless but silently dull the leaves, make them prone to rot, and reduce vitality. Anthuriums are distinguished by their thick, glossy green leaves, like a waxed coating, embracing vibrant red flowers. But if dust accumulates on the leaves for too long, the plant loses its freshness. The baker's yeast is rich in beneficial microorganisms, helping to suppress bacteria and mold on the leaf surface, while the beer supplements B vitamins and minerals, promoting metabolism, making the leaves healthy, thick, and lush green. After just a few wipes, you will see the Anthurium leaves become glossy with a darker green color, and the flowers retain their vibrancy longer. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Besides Anthuriums, I also apply this method to Phalaenopsis orchids and lilies. Although they don't collect dust as quickly as Anthuriums, regular leaf wiping still helps the plant absorb light better, photosynthesize more efficiently, resulting in longer-lasting flowers and less wilted leaves. After wiping the leaves, I place the plant in a cool, well-ventilated area with indirect light to let the leaves dry naturally. This is a simple yet effective plant care tip that only needs to be maintained 2 to 3 times a month. Results: after applying this method, the Anthurium pots will quickly form a white, plump root system firmly anchoring to the growing medium, radiating vitality from within. In a short time, you will notice a clear transformation: dark green, glossy leaves, healthy new roots, signaling a promising growth cycle. When the roots are healthy, the plant will absorb nutrients optimally, new shoots will emerge vigorously, leaves will stay lush green, and flowers will bloom evenly with lasting colors. For Phalaenopsis orchids, the petals will be thicker and last longer. For lilies, they will retain their fresh scent and color longer, all thanks to the care using organic, simple ingredients that you can easily find right in your kitchen. Join me in admiring these vibrant, lively Anthurium flowers, the result of a love for plants and the organic tips I share every day. On the Soul Garden channel, I believe that with a bit of patience and the right method, the plant will naturally revive and bloom beautifully throughout the seasons. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share to spread the joy of gardening. Each bit of your support is a great motivation for me to continue bringing natural, safe, and effective plant care tips. See you in the next videos on Soul Garden.